Valentine is coming. Valentine is coming. Where is your boyfriend? Lonely. Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tando, aka MedicalBeautyBlog. It's good to be back. It's good to start filming again. So today I decided to film a soft Valentine's Day makeup look for all the people who have dates and stuff. So yeah, have this look. As for us who are single, lonely, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you see me looking to the side, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. It's there. So yes, I use this brow pencil that I bought from Ruble Boom here in Russia. It's Kiki Cosmetics. It's shade number 04. And then after that, I then now go in with my spoolie and just blend in the pencil and make sure that it really doesn't look harsh. Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade number 45. Take a flat brush like this one, and then I start from here and I just go like that, carving out the shape of how I want my brow to look. Drag it outwards a little bit, not too much. Then to blend my concealer, I love using this dense brush. Firstly, I'm going to go in with my NYX Professional eyeshadow base. This one. Oops, this one. Same buffing brush I used for my concealer. I'm just going to blend this all over my lid space. BeautyTreats Face Contour Powder Collection Palette. I'm going to use this shade in my crease. Take this blending brush of mine that I bought from AliExpress. It has no name on it. Just going to press it in there like that, and then blend it as I drag it outwards to darken out the outer corner. I think I'm going to go in with these two shades here, this one's together, just so that it's not too harsh and more product is placed here at the outer corner as compared to inwards. And I go back to the same brush that I used with that first color to just blend out, just to make sure that everything is blended and seamless. And I go back to the eyeshadow base again, just so that I can clean up here. I'm just going to put a little bit of eyeshadow base and that out with the same brush as before. It's not really a cut crease, like I'm not cutting my crease or anything. I'm just cleaning up so that the shadow that I put on this part of my eye pops out more. With this flat brush, I'm going to place this color here on my lid space. I'm just going to pack this on here. This dark brown here, blend that one in like that. I take a clean blending brush just to blend everything together. Make sure there are no harsh lines or anything like that. In a corner, I'm going to take this lighter color and just put it there on, like in a corner, and drag it like that. Liquid ink essence liner. Okay, like I've already put on my lashes. Now it's time for me to do my base. I've been loving this Essence You Better Work primer, Dream Proof primer. I needed to shave this. I need to shave There's mustache. I have oily skin. I tend to set my primer to make sure that my foundation doesn't get oily like quickly and stay all day. So I use this Yardley Absolute translucent loose powder. I love this. I love it. There, remove all the excess. Like, you want a thin layer of this powder so that it doesn't look all cakey when you're done. So I put this on the spots where I get oily quickly. Today's foundation will be the NYX Cosmetics Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade Deep Sable. Then I take my beauty blender and I just blend this. What I love about this foundation is it's not too much on the skin, and it's not a drying matte, it's a soft matte, so it's good to have. It's nice on the skin. Medium buildable coverage. I drag it down my neck. Concealers, I'm using 2 concealers here. I am going to use the Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer. I forgot what shade this is. Oh, it's dark cocoa, this one, and then the Maybelline Fit Me one in the shade 45. So I love putting this one first, like as the first layer here, right under my eye like that. Realize that the Maybelline one is not full coverage. That's why I use 2 concealers to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And I blend out my forehead. To remove any harsh lines or demarcations, I go to the part where I was putting foundation, and then I just blend there like that to make sure that everything is blended seamlessly and effortlessly. I turn my beauty blender and I blend out this part with the side that had foundation. Then I blend this part out again. Then to set my under eyes, I set my under eyes as possible so that they don't crease. If in case you feel like they've creased, you just blend it like that much and I place it. I don't bake because I have really dry under eyes, so I just never bake there. I just always press on all the powder. So you set all the parts of your face where you placed in concealer or you highlighted. So wherever I highlighted or put on concealer, that is what I am setting. I also set my smile lines because I tend to have smile lines. I smile a lot. See? With the excess like this much over my brows, because I tend to get oily brows as the day goes by, so I love doing that. And you see, I don't bake at all. I just blend everything out into my skin. Boom, done. Now next step is to contour. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Cocoa. When I blend it in circular motions because I don't want it to be like harsh, and I blend it into my hairline. mattifying powder. This is in the shade Espresso, just ever so lightly. Product is left on this brush will be used to contour my nose, because I don't want like a harsh contour. Bronze or put blush, like go back to this BeautyTreats palette, use this shade again. It just brings color, and I just always drag it up and put it all over where I had my contour. Put the excess of it over my nose like that. The Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm just going to set my face. I'm going to set my face with the Revolution Spot Fix Extra Hold Makeup Fixing Spray. This one right here. I'm going to take the smudging brush to this color that I used as my transition, and I'm just going to put this, I'm going to pack this on my lower lash line. But firstly, before I do that, this black eyeliner pencil. After that, I'm going to highlight my face. To highlight, I'm going to use my oldie but goodie Essence Glow to Go eyeshadow highlighting palette. My lower lash line, I'm going to use this Maybelline Lash Sensational. Kiki Cosmetics red lipstick in the shade 202. My lips with the Stella Cosmetics liner, lip liner. Like, I don't know the shade anymore. Can't see it. Here you have it, you guys. This is the final look. Hope you enjoyed this video and you found this makeup tutorial very helpful for you. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let's grow, guys. Like, road to 1K, because we're already on 400 and something. So I hope by the end of 2020 we'll be like on 1K and beyond 1K. Anyway, spread the love, enjoy, and you can wear this look whether you're going out on Valentines, you have a date or you don't have a date, you are single or you are booed up. Like, this makeup look is perfect for any occasion. I feel like. With love from me to all of y'all. May the good Lord ever stay blessing you. I love you plenty. Bye, guys.